In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a well-structured incident report using ChatGPT. First, let's dive into this process by opening ChatGPT. You'll need to navigate to chatopenai.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, start a new chat so we can begin crafting your incident report from scratch. Now that we're all set up with ChatGPT, the next step is to clearly define the type of incident you're reporting. For instance, if you need to create a report for a workplace accident that involved a minor injury, it's important to communicate that requirement right out of the gate. You'll want to specify that the report needs to be structured clearly and professionally. This initial context helps ChatGPT understand the angle from which you're coming and sets the stage for generating precise content. Once you've identified and communicated your incident type, it's time to provide the key details. Let's say your scenario involves a workplace accident. You'll need to share specific information, such as the date, perhaps March 3rd, 2025, and the location, like Warehouse Section B. Additionally, include the people involved, for example, John Smith, the employee who slipped on a wet floor. Detail the injury sustained, in this case, a minor ankle sprain, and any immediate action taken, such as providing first aid and cleaning the area. With these details in mind, request ChatGPT to compile a full incident report. This step is crucial because the specific inputs you give will directly influence the comprehensiveness and accuracy of your report. To enhance the professionalism of your report, you might want it to adhere to a particular format. You can ask ChatGPT to rewrite the incident report using a formal template that includes sections like summary, incident details, witness statements, actions taken, and recommendations. This kind of structured layout not only makes your report easier to digest, but also ensures that no vital piece of information is overlooked. Once the report is drafted, you should think about how it fits within your organizational needs. Request the AI to tweak the report so it's suitable for HR submission. This means keeping it concise, factual, and professional, which is vital for maintaining tone and clarity in your communications. In some cases, you might need different versions of the report, for instance, a shorter one for internal email updates. Ask ChatGPT to easily accommodate this by creating a more succinct version of the incident report. Finally, having crafted the incident report to your satisfaction, it's time to save and share it. Copy the final version and save it in your preferred format, whether that's Word, Google Docs, or a PDF. Once saved, submit it to the appropriate department, whether it's HR, compliance, or management, ensuring all relevant stakeholders are informed. And there you have it, a methodical yet dynamic approach to generating professional incident reports with ChatGPT.